Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Check the monitor's native resolution and confirm you're using an appropriate cable and GPU output. Once done, connect the display directly to the graphics port and power it on. Now open your display control panel. On Windows, go to Settings System Display. On macOS, open System Preferences Displays. Make sure the system recognizes the monitor. If it shows a generic name, proceed, but note we may need drivers or edit fixes later. Next, choose the native resolution and matching refresh rate in the display menu because that gives the sharpest image and correct timing. Once selected, set UI scaling. Start at 100% and increase to 125% or 150% if text and icons appear tiny. If the preset options don't match the monitor, open your GPU control panel to create a custom resolution or timing. Make sure to apply changes and test for overscan or stretching. If the image is cropped, adjust scaling or HDMI underscan in the GPU tool. To finish, install or update both monitor drivers and GPU drivers, then reboot so settings stick. Once restarted, confirm the selected resolution is retained and that colors and sharpness look correct. If not, run monitor auto-adjust or factory reset. If the exact resolution isn't available, swap cables or ports and try forcing edit via software or the GPU utility. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to remove corrupt drivers or update GPU firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.